Hello, and welcome to the Exponential English Podcast. This podcast is for English learners. We speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. Today, we are going to talk about simple daily habits that can help you speak English better. You do not need long study sessions. You do not need to be perfect. You only need small actions every day. Let's begin. First, let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is a very powerful technique. Shadowing means this: you listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat what they say immediately. You copy the speed, the tone, and the rhythm. You do not stop the audio. You do not translate. You just follow the voice. At first, this may feel difficult. That is normal. But shadowing trains your brain and your mouth to work together. This helps you speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. Even 1 or 2 minutes of shadowing is enough. Next, let's talk about listening. You should listen to English every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes is good. Daily listening helps you learn new words, understand English rhythm, train your ears, and get used to how real people speak. You can listen to podcasts, music, YouTube videos, short stories, or simple news for learners. The most important thing is consistency. A little every day is better than a lot once a week. After you listen, shadow what you hear. Choose one sentence. Listen again. Repeat it out loud. Try to copy the voice. Match the rhythm. Match the feeling. Do not worry about mistakes. This practice will smooth your speaking, improve pronunciation, and build confidence. Do this every day. Your English will slowly feel easier. Now let's talk about thinking in English. Do not try to think in long sentences. Start small, one thought at a time. For example, I'm hungry. I need coffee. I'm going to work. This helps your brain connect directly to English, no translation. Later, you can whisper these thoughts or say them quietly out loud. This is a very natural way to learn. Another great habit is reading aloud. Choose a short, simple text. Read it slowly and clearly. Focus on pronunciation. Focus on clarity. Then read it again, a little faster, with more feeling. Reading aloud trains your speaking muscles. It improves fluency and confidence. Finally, use English in your daily life. Here are some simple ideas. Change your phone language to English. Write a short daily diary in English. Just 2 or 3 sentences. Record a 1-minute voice message about your day. Join online English speaking groups. Watch short videos. Pause. And repeat the sentences. These are small actions. But when you do them every day, they become powerful. This is how English becomes part of your life. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice a little every day. Thank you for listening to the Exponential English Podcast. New lessons are coming soon. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And you will improve. See you next time.